Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to make this stunning black and gold nameplate. So first of all, I've mixed 2x1 resin and I am making this gold floating pigment into a small glass and black opaque pigment into a bigger glass. First of all, I'll pour the black pigment on my prepared canvas. I have prepared my canvas by painting black acrylic color on it. And now I'm just applying heat gun onto my resin and I'll spread it with the help of my fingers. I applied heat gun so that the resin becomes thin and is easier to spread. Don't pour too much resin, otherwise it will fall down. It will fall down anyways, but if you pour too much, then it will fall down a lot and a bigger mess will be created underneath. And a lot of drips also will be there, so you'll have to clean them. I have applied latex to the back of this nameplate to clean the drips. And now I'm just creating some marble lines with the gold floating pigment. And after I've created these lines, I'll blow them with heat gun so that they blend with the black. That process is not recorded because of some error of my mobile, but that's how it is done. Always remember to wear your gloves and respirator while working with resin. So after it has cured, I have attached the acrylic letters and I have also made stone border with white stones. As I pour resin on them, they will become transparent. I am using Hexen's top coat for the second coat. I'm just putting resin onto the borders and then I'm putting it onto the acrylic names, and the remaining resin I'll pour all over the nameplate. Now we will let this layer cure for another 24 hours. Just make sure that every nook and corner is covered. Especially you'll have to pay attention to the names, because as they are acrylic, they are raised a little bit. So I have used thin acrylic, about 3 mm, but still they are raised from the resin surface. So you'll have to put the resin in between the gaps of the names and in the names manually. So also there was some Fevikwik there in the gap of the name, so that is the reason I'm spreading resin over it so that the whiteness of the Fevikwik disappears. Now after the resin is cured for 24 hours, I am just painting the gold border with this gold pigment and pigment binder. So now our nameplate is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found it helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I am a new creator, so it helps me a lot.